gosh, am I getting a lot of air conditioner videos from Galveston, Texas. These are some Lennox air conditioners at my hotel that I just saw as we parked. There they are back there. Look at that. Lennox. I'm trying to find a way back there to them, but here they are. Let's see, Lennox. It's the compressor. There's the compressor. Let's see. I believe that's a probably a rotary heat pump because you got a filter dryer on the line set. Lennox. 4 blades. Wow. All right. We have just a couple more. Actually, I think these are reciprocating compressors. There's a disconnect boxes. Alright, that's it. Hope you enjoyed.